y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use my Ulta Beauty concealer in medium warm, and I'm gonna set it with my Urban Decay setting powder. Now I'm using my Morphe James Charles palette. I'm going to take that top shade and I'm just going to put that in my crease. And I'm going to take the shade underneath it and put it all over my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm going to use my BYS Glitter. I'm going to mix those two glitters together. One is a finer type glitter and another is chunky, on the chunky side. But first I'm just putting down my eyelash glue to make sure that the glitter sticks. Okay, I already put on my lashes, so now I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil to make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, and then I'm also going to use my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Now I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation in 13 Chestnut. Now for some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. highlight, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. And I'm just going to put this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place bronzer palette in the dark, and I'm going to use the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. And now I'm just blending out that concealer that I had down. Next, I'm using a combination of my ABA setting powder and my Urban Decay powder, and I'm just putting out all the places where I had my concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in shade 440. Now I'm using my Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush in Volume 4. And I'm just going to take that top shade and use that. Next, I'm using Black Radiance True Complexion 3D Highlighter. And I'm just going to use that shade for my highlight. For lips, I'm using my e.l.f. O-Face Satin Lipstick in Hustle. And for my lip liner, I'm using my NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper. To set my face, I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup look, this Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed it. You can use this look whether you're just going out with your boo or you're going out with your girls. But like I said, I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and click all so you'll be alerted by my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday, new video every Friday. Also give me a thumbs up and also comment. I would love to hear from you all. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And I will see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.